Hello. Welcome back to the 7NET YouTube channel. If you find the video useful to you, let's like and share. Let's subscribe to the channel to help you get 1000 subscriber. Don't forget to join the 7NET community on social networking platforms to learn and support. I put link is in the video's description. Let's get started. You can find videos on the internet that show you how to add Gmail to Outlook, but almost it doesn't work. Why? Because Google has changes in security for Gmail. So today I show you a new way to add Gmail to automatically on Outlook. We need 3 things before adding Gmail to Outlook. First, turn on POP and IMAP. Second, turn on the 2-step verification. Third, set up an app password for Outlook. First, I log into Gmail by the web browser. I run the web browser. Then I search with the keyword Gmail to log into Gmail. On the login page, we need to enter the Gmail. I log in Gmail before, so my email will be remembered here. I just click into my email to log in. In this step, I enter the Gmail password and click Next. OK, now let's click on the settings icon, then click on the See All Settings button. Click on the Forwarding and POP/IMAP button. I'll turn on the POP and IMAP. POP download, I choose Enable POP for all mail. IMAP access, I choose Enable IMAP, then click Save Changes. These settings need to be verified to continue. I click Continue. It's verified by phone, so my phone will show the notification. I click on Yes, it's me and then choose the 54 as on the website. It's verified. OK, the first one is finished. The second, turn on the 2-step verification. I click on the avatar of my Gmail. Then click on the Manage Your Google Account button. On this page, I click on the Security tab. And find how you sign into Google, then click on 2-step verification to turn on it. In this step, I click Get Started. The next step is use your phone as your second step to sign in and click Continue. I enter a phone number to receive the verified code. In the How do you want to get codes? We can choose text message or phone call to get it. I choose text messages and click Send. When Google sends the code to my phone, I enter the code in here and click Next. In this step, I click Turn on. Finished. The 2-step verification is on. The third, I move down, I'll see the app passwords. I click on this arrow to set up the app passwords. We can make more passwords for apps. So, we need to enter the name of the app. To differentiate applications, I'll enter the name Outlook password for Gmail on Outlook, then click Create. This is a generated app password used for Outlook. Total is 19 characters including spaces. I copy it and click Done. OK, now I go back. Finally, I connect Gmail to Outlook. I will save the app password for the Gmail used next time, because in case you forget this app password, you need to create a new app password again. So I save it on a text file. I create a text file. You can save it on anything you have. Example, OneNote of Microsoft, Google Keep, Evernote, and Notes of Apple. I do not use it a long term, so I saved it on a text file. OK, I open it. Email. App password. I paste an app password here. Now, I open the Outlook, I click Start. Then enter Outlook to search. The Outlook shows up. I click on Outlook icon. The Welcome to Outlook page shows up. I click Next. Next step, I choose Yes, and click Next. In this step, I choose an email account to add Gmail automatically. Then I enter the email information, your name. This name will show when I send an email. I enter my name. Email address, this is your email address, so I enter my Gmail address. The email includes @gmail.com. Password, this is your Gmail password. I will copy my Gmail password and paste it here. I use the Ctrl+V button to paste the password. Retype password, we need to confirm the Gmail password again. I paste a password here, then click Next. Now I am waiting for Gmail to check and configure my Gmail on Outlook. It takes about 5 minutes. I will cut it out of the video, so you don't have to wait. When we see 3 lines have a V icon, like that, it is done. I click Finish to complete. This way we'll use IMAP for Gmail on Outlook, and it works with Outlook 2010, 2013, 2016, and more. With this pop-up, first things first, I choose Ask Me Later to skip it. Then click Accept to close. The email is coming now. We can see the inbox, send mail, trash, and outbox here. Okay, let me try to send an email to test. I will send a test email to myself. I click on the new email, my email, subject, email content. I click send and check the new email. I received my email. Well, that's all I had for you today. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found the video helpful. Thank you for watching the video, and see you in the next video.